Well, you're the first to spit on it. Okay, check that microphone. Turn it on. There's an on switch on the phone. Okay, start checking.
Check. I'm the first to use this microphone. Check.
You are the first to drool on that microphone, sir. Okay, you want it in the original key, I assume, like we were doing. Wait, were we turned down the other night?
We're at E.
I know, but were you tuned to F step lower your guitar and overall? Okay, good, because then I can use it already. This can be really fast. Make it all right.
Rock on, gold dust woman. Take your silver spoon and dig your grave. Wake up in the morning, see your sunrise colors go down. Hotness, challenge, pick your path and I'll pray. Rulers, big bad lovers, you better put your kingdom up for sale. For sale. Oh, but if she make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love. And is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go? Rock on, ancient queen. Follow those who pale in your shadow. Rulers, take that lovers. You better put your kingdom up for sale. It should make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love. And is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home? When it should make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love. Now tell me, is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home?
You've never. This is our first time singing a whole song in front of anybody. This Casey is a bass player for an awesome band. Do you guys still have the same name? At My Mercy. T-shirts on sale online. Heavy metal. The actual style of brand of heavy metal is called metalcore. If you're into metalcore, At My Mercy. Casey's a bass player, by the way. Good job. Now give me my CD.
Top secret CD.
All right, got my top secret CD. I'm gonna play some violin music for you.
Thank you.
Why is he so hard? In the second movie, that guy was running away. I like the movie.
Oh, stop with the money, Miss Moneybag.
Oh yeah, that was her money. No, it was her money, and then it's my money. This is a little menage a
Hey, Scott. Come in.
Yes.
The violin.
Came with the right. Here it is. Nice.
I've been watching you.
I know, I've been here.
I always say, I don't really
I very much appreciate you coming out after all this stuff.
Yeah. What about my too much?
Nice. Good.
Yeah.
All right. All right. so much. All right. All right, so in between this time and the last time I was here, I put out a CD, an album, and this is one of those songs on that album. This is my fastest and most difficult piece to play. And this is the first time I've ever played it to my background music in front of people, so it should be fun. And the story of this song is that I was traveling in Romania this past year, looking for the gypsies, because I wanted to learn the gypsy music. But I could not find the gypsy musicians. I just found the gypsies. And they said, "You will not find the gypsy music here." Which I know they were lying because they just didn't want this crazy American to steal our music. So anyways, I went out into a field and started creating a song, and the birds would not shut up. They were so noisy. So anyways, my song ended up sounding like the birds. And then I realized that it actually sounds like Romanian gypsy music. So I'm thinking the Romanian gypsies took their music from the birds too. So this one is called Gypsy Bird from the new CD. I hope you like it. I'm going to take a break. I'll be right back.
That's why I don't read that.